Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the EasyToys Jab Strap-On Harness. So let's get started. So this is the Jab Strap-On set with dildo and harness itself. Now you can spice up your sex life with this elegant strap-on harness with dildo. It's perfect for beginners and couples, and the combination of the strong durable harness and the firm dildo offers perfect thrusting action. The harness always fits perfectly. It's adjustable in 3 places with clip fasteners. Simply pull to tighten or pull underneath to loosen. Simple and easy. It can have a maximum hip circumference of 110 centimeters. Also included is a dildo just here, which is removable, so you can either use it for solo play or even interchange it for your own personal favourite dildo. The choice is up to you. It has a slight ribbing at the end just there. It's flexible yet firm and made of a soft silicone material. This strap-on harness is ideal for every situation, and the dildo itself has an insertable length of 12 centimeters, perfect to add to your collection. And that is the EasyToys Jab Strap-On Harness. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.